A fatty liver is a condition in which the organ stores too much fat, and if not treated, your liver can ultimately fail. However, you can start treating a fatty liver with healthy eating. You may need to focus on certain foods and avoid others. Let's talk about foods that you should include in your diet if you have a fatty liver. Number 1. Grapes. Resveratrol is a natural phenolic compound found in grapes that offers several beneficial properties. It acts as a natural activator of the SIRT1 gene, which decreases fatty liver by reducing the expression of lipogenic enzymes. It can improve alcohol-induced insulin resistance and regulate alcohol metabolizing enzymes. Resveratrol improves non-alcoholic fatty liver disease by inhibiting lipogenesis and oxidative stress. It can also treat alcoholic fatty liver disease by decreasing the expression of genes involved in lipid metabolism. In summary, resveratrol has shown promise in preventing fatty liver and fibrosis, improving insulin resistance, and regulating alcohol metabolism. Number 2. Tomatoes. Lycopene, a lipid-soluble carotenoid found in tomatoes, has been associated with various health benefits, including improving the status of oxidative stress and inflammation. It also plays a role in regulating metabolic processes and liver function. Rutein is another compound found in tomatoes that can inhibit oxidative stress and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, as well as reduce triglyceride levels. Consuming tomato juice increases the abundance of lactobacillus and diminishes the ratio of acetate to propionate, thereby improving NAFLD. Number 3. Turmeric, particularly curcumin, which is a natural polyphenolic compound and the major curcuminoid found in turmeric. Curcumin exhibits various beneficial effects, such as antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and hepatoprotective properties. Studies have shown that curcumin can reduce visceral fat and abdominal obesity in patients with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. This contributes to the regulation of lipid metabolism and reduces the burden on the liver. Curcumin supplementation has been shown to improve fatty liver in NAFLD patients, improve liver enzymes, lipid profiles, glucose, and glycated hemoglobin levels, and decrease serum levels of inflammatory cytokines. Additionally, curcumin regulates amino acid metabolism, tricarboxylic acid cycle, bile acid metabolism, and gut microbiota in NAFLD patients. Number 4. Onion. Recent studies have shown that onions significantly reduce liver fat. They also reduce lobular and portal inflammation and decrease serum levels of alanine aminotransferase, aspartate aminotransferase, triglycerides, insulin, glucose, and TNF-alpha levels in liver cells. Number 5. Garlic. Allicin is a bioactive component found in garlic, responsible for many of the health benefits associated with garlic consumption. Allicin has been found to decrease the abundance of specific gut microbiota, such as Christensenella coli and Ruminococcus IIE, which are associated with alcoholic fatty liver disease. This reduction in gut microbiota leads to a decrease in hepatic triacylglycerol levels. Number 6. Green tea. Green tea accelerates alcohol metabolism, thus exerting a hepatoprotective effect. It also attenuates AFLD by improving oxidative stress and necrosis. EGCG, a major polyphenol in green tea, alleviates alcohol-induced fatty liver disease by improving lipid metabolism. Catechins in green tea alleviate alcohol-induced fatty changes, liver dysfunction, oxidative stress, and inflammation. Green tea consumption and green tea extract have shown to improve a hepatic fat accumulation, fatty liver condition, liver function, and serum levels of ALT, AST lipid profiles, and inflammatory markers in NAFLD. Number 7. Coffee. Coffee contains various bioactive compounds that have potential benefits in relation to fatty liver disease. Coffee improves liver triglyceride metabolism, reduces oxidative stress, and helps alleviate fibrotic status. Caffeic acid and trigonelline are two bioactive compounds present in coffee that have been associated with protective effects on liver function. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.